Hello everyone, it's Megan Rose from the Philippines coming back to you for another tutorial on how to work on the Cinnamoroll hat. So for the Cinnamoroll hat, we're gonna need the following materials. We're gonna need a hook. So what I'm using is a 3.25 mm one. We're gonna need some milk cotton 5-ply yarn that is in white. You're gonna need a pair of scissors to cut the string. So those are the items that you need to work on this project. And since this is gonna be a Cinnamoroll inspired hat, what I did was I worked on the eyes and the other features using some mercerized cotton thread. So you will need a blue and a pink one and a steel hook for it. And also you're gonna need some fiber fill for the ear part of the character piece. So to work on this project, you're gonna need to work on the base part first, and I have a separate tutorial for that. So I will link it on the description box below. So this is how it will look like once you made the base part of the item. So now I'm just gonna share with you how to work on the ear part, and we're gonna need two of this. So that is gonna be the next step. So using your milk cotton yarn, we're gonna chain 2. So I wrap around my hook around the yarn like so, and I'm gonna chain 2. So we have 1 and then 2. And then for the first round, we're gonna have double crochet 8. So there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Then we're gonna slip stitch on the first half double crochet. For the second round, we're gonna make an increase. So we're gonna chain 1, and then we're gonna put 2 half double crochets on all of the 8 stitches. So for the first one, there's gonna be 2 half double crochet on the first, 2 half double crochet on the next, and that's what we're gonna do around, and I'm gonna catch up with you after. So by now you may have made the increase for the second round of this ear part of the Cinnamoroll. So we're just gonna slip stitch on the first half double crochet. Then for the third round, we're gonna chain 1, and then we're gonna have another increase. So there's gonna be 1 half double crochet on the first stitch. Then on the second one, we're gonna increase with 2 half double crochets, and we're gonna work on it around, putting 1 half double crochet and then 2 on the next one. So I'm just gonna show you 1 on the first and then 2 on the second one, and then work on it around. So by now you may have made the third round with the last increase. So for the next 7 rounds, we're just gonna put 1 half double crochet on each of the stitches around. So you're gonna put 1 half double crochet to each of those stitches around up until the 10th round. So for the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10th round, we're gonna put those half double crochets around. So I'm gonna let you guys do that now, and then I'm gonna catch up with you after. So those are the 10 rounds including the increases. Hi guys, so by now you may have made the 10 rounds including the increases. So now for the 11th round, we're gonna make a decrease. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chain 1. We're gonna put 1 half double crochet on the first, and then on the second one, we're gonna alternate between the two. So for the second, we're gonna put 1 half double crochet, if I may say so. So what I do is I yarn over, I insert it to the first one, I end up with 3 loops, and then I just insert my hook here on the next one, pull up a loop, and it will turn into 4 loops. So yarn over and then pull to all of those 4 loops. So again, for the first one, you put 1/2 double crochet, and the second, you're gonna decrease with 2/2 double crochet together, if that's the correct term. So yarn over, insert it in the first, insert it to the second one. I'm gonna end up with 4 loops, so go through all of those 4 loops, and then on the next one, you're just gonna put 1/2 double crochet and then alternate between the two. So that's what we're gonna do for the decreased part of the ear of cinnamon roll. 1/2 double crochet and then 2/2 double crochet together, just to put that increase right there. And then after this, we're just gonna be putting or adding up 5 more rounds of 1/2 double crochet without any increase. So now that we're in the end bit, we're just going to slip stitch on the first 1/2 double crochet. And as I said, since we're on our 11th round, we're just gonna add up 5 more rounds of 1/2 double crochet without any increase or any decrease. So there's 1, 2, just all around, so that it will add up to 16 rounds for the ear of cinnamon roll. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna catch up with you later. Hi guys, so by now you may have made the ear part for cinnamon roll. It has about 16 rounds to it, and you need to make 2 of them, and you will cut the string and leave a long end for sewing. And this is going to be also the ear part for pom-pom pudding. You just need to work on it in a yellow yarn. So that is it. Okay guys, so let's continue working on our cinnamon roll hat. So we're going to make the eye and the blush part of it using some mercerized cotton thread in blue and in pink. So this is how the eye should look like. So we're just gonna make another one, and then we're gonna make a blush also. We're gonna use a steel hook for this, so I'm using this Imia hook number 7. So to start off, we're gonna chain 5. So I wrap around my hook like so, and then we're gonna chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna half double crochet to the second chain from the right. We're gonna put 1/2 double crochet on the first one, 1/2 double crochet on the next, 1/2 double crochet on the third, and on the fourth one we're gonna put 7 half double crochet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you can see that there is 3 more spaces here. 1, 2, 3. So for the next 2 ones, we're gonna put 1/2 double crochet each. 1 and 2. And then on the last one, we're gonna put 3 half double crochets. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna close this first round by slip stitching to the first half double crochet. Then we're gonna chain 1. To continue on with our second round, we have chained 1, and then we're going to have some increases here. So for the next 4 stitches, we're gonna put 1/2 double crochet to each of them, 3 and and also for the fifth one. And then on the next one, we're gonna put 2 half double crochet on the same stitch. On the next, we're gonna put 2 half double crochet on the same stitch. On the next, we're gonna put 2 half double crochet on the same stitch. On the next one, we're gonna put 2 half double crochets on one space. So there's gonna be 4 increases for this side part here. Then we're gonna put 1 half double crochet on the next one, 1 half double crochet on the second, 1 half double crochet on the next, and then we're gonna put increases again by putting 2 half double crochet on the next, 2 half double crochet on the second, 2 half double crochet on the next. As you can see, we still have a space here, so we're gonna put 2 half double crochets there, and then we're going to slip stitch on the first half double crochet, and we're gonna leave a long end for sewing. So now we have 2 of those eyes made, so I just needed to do another one. So now we're gonna need to work on the blush part, which is consisting of 14 double crochets. So we're gonna take our pink yarn or pink thread. This is a mercerized cotton thread. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chain 3. So I wrap around my hook like so. Then we're gonna chain 3. And then we're just gonna double crochet 14 double crochet on this chain right here, the first one. So there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Slip stitch to the first double crochet and leave a long end for sewing. Then fasten off. So you're just gonna make another one of this for the blush of cinnamon roll. Okay guys, so now that we have our features made, we're going to sew it to the base part of the hat. So you need to take your first ear. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some fiber fill inside before we sew it. So take some fiber fill and then put it inside the ear part of the cinnamon roll hat. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna fill it up until this part right here. We're gonna leave this one without any foam. Just a few more. And then we're gonna take our needle, insert it, the ends. And what I do is I close this hole first. I sew them together. And then after that, we're gonna look for the place where we're going to put it. So I usually put it on the 6th round from the base. So 2, 4, 6. So here's where we're gonna put it. So I just gonna start sewing it to the base. Just like so. Make sure that it is centered. We're gonna catch some parts of the base and some parts of the ears, stitch by stitch. And this is also what we're gonna do to the other ear. So after sewing the front part, we're going to sew the inside bit of it. So I'm just gonna go this way. And then we're just gonna hide our ends. But I just leave it for now, so if ever I made a mistake, I can just unravel it. Okay guys, so by now you may have sewn both ears. So now what we're gonna need to do next is to sew the pictures of the face with the eye and the blush, plus the smile of it. So I have a reference here to where I'm going to put it. And what I usually do is I take some pin and I pinpoint the center part by folding it like so. I put a pin there so that I will know where I'm gonna put the eyes. So I'm gonna take one of the eyepiece and put it here. And I'm just going to pin it. I'm gonna take the other eyepiece and place it so that it will be leveled with the other one. And then I'm going to take my needle and I'm gonna start sewing it to the base. Gonna hide this end right here inside of the crochet piece. And then I'm gonna start sewing, just catching the back part or the back loop. So just sew it like so up until we reach the end. And this is also what we're gonna do with the other eye. I hope that you can see what I'm doing here. So just sew the eyes to the base and I'm gonna catch up with you after. So by now you may have sewn both eyes to the base part of the hat. So now we're gonna work on the blush. So we're gonna take one of the blush and put the ends on a needle. Then we're gonna pinpoint where we're gonna put it. So you just hide your ends inside of the piece. And then put it here next to the eye, just a little bit lower. And then you're gonna start sewing it. So this is also what you're gonna do with the other blush. Just make sure that it is leveled with the first one. So after this, I'm gonna show you how to work on the smile. So by now you may have sewn both eyes and both blushes. So now we're gonna work on the smile bit. Take some blue mercerized cotton thread and put it on a needle, and then we're gonna knot that. I'm gonna pinpoint the center bit of the piece, just like so. We're gonna knot it inside. And now we're gonna make the smile bit of cinnamon roll. I think it's just a simple smile. It looks like this. So that make sure that it is leveled. And then afterwards, you can just knot our string inside again, just like so. And then we're gonna cut our string. And the next thing that we need to do is just to sew in the ends, and then we're done. This is how your hat should look like by now. So I hope that you have enjoyed working on the piece as I enjoy teaching them to you guys, and I hope you had a fun time today. And the next one that I will be showing you is the pom-pom pudding. So that's it for now. Bye!